You guys should save this dip recipe because you're going to be needing it this summer. The perfect snack for any gathering. To make it, you're going to start with 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 finely diced jalapeno, de-seeded if you can't handle the heat, along with 1 onion finely diced. You're going to mix until the onions are translucent or until they look something like this. Next, we're going to add in 4 cans of corn. You can do canned corn or frozen corn, whichever you have. Give it a quick mix and add a block of room temperature cream cheese, along with a 1/4 cup of sour cream and a 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Turn your heat to the lowest setting and start mixing. This is a whole arm workout, but trust me, it's so worth it. Once your cheese is nice and melted, we're gonna start adding our spices. Now you can do whatever spices you enjoy, but these are the ones that I used. I used a 1/4 teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, a 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, salt and pepper to taste, and a 1/4 cup of chopped cilantro. This is where you taste and adjust to your liking. After your spices are all mixed together, now it's time to garnish. I used some chopped up jalapeno, more of the Cajun seasoning, and some spring onion, and ate it right off the pan. But if you're taking it to a gathering and you want it to look pretty, place it into a nice baking dish, cover it with some cheese, add in tahini for more color and flavor, and as always, enjoy and don't forget to follow for more delicious recipes.